So dear students, in our last section we have seen the various types of machine learning. Now we will start with the topic classification of machine learning concept. Actually classification, the basic concept of classification is that in classification the inputs are divided into two or more classes, and according to that inputs we can have the multi-label classification. Means we can label the data and we can have the tagged data set by using the classification. It is called as classification because we are dividing the data set into various data sets. That's why it is called as classification. So classification of machine learning concepts basically having basic methods, linear models, SVM and beyond binary classification. So under the first concept of classification, the basic methods are there, which contains distance based methods, nearest neighbors, decision trees and navy bias. So distance based methods, as its name implies, it classify the queries by computing the distance between the queries. So in that, the concept similarity, Euclidean space, Euclidean distance, Manhattan distance, Minkowski distance is considered, and how that particular distance based machine learning methods will be used, that we will see in our next section, because we will see it in detail. Here we are only going through the concepts. So in distance methods, basically we are calculating the distance between the queries by the various distances. The next is, second one is nearest neighbor. So nearest neighbor is used under generally the supervised classifier. So it is also called as the k nearest neighbor. The simple version of this is used as to predict the target label by finding the nearest neighbor class. Means we will identify the closest class using the distance measures like Euclidean distance in the nearest neighbor thing. So there our KNN classification is generally used for this particular nearest neighbor basic method of classification, and it is very widely used actually. The next is decision tree. Now as its name implies, decision tree is a tree in which the branch node is representing the choice between the number of alternatives. Means whatever data we are having, that we are representing in the decision, in the tree format, and it is represented in such a way that whatever data set we are having, so we can predict the unseen data set or unseen circumstances from the decision tree. And the fourth one is the navy bias of the basic method. Navy bias is also very widely used. It is also very widely used. So in navy bias algorithm, actually we are having one particular training data set, and it is generally used for constructing the classifiers, where we are modeling and assigning the class labels. That is done where we are modeling and classifying the classifiers. That is nothing but the navy bias. These are the basic methods of classification of machine learning concept. Now the linear model support vector machines are also there. In linear models, actually linear regression and logistic regression and generalized linear models are used. Actually the linear regression is very popular for statistics and machine learning, where the linear relationship is considered in between the input variable and the output variable. We have to consider the various types of relationships in the regression linear model, and according to that input we can predict what can be the output by considering the various criteria, where we can have the least square regression line, least square regression criteria. The next is logistic regression, where logistic regression is used for binary classification, where we are having the data set as 0 1, and in generalized linear models, we are having the multiple regression analysis. The next is the support vector machine. It is supervised machine learning algorithm which is used for classification and regression both. And under that we will see the non-linearity as well as the kernel methods, where we will be how the dataset is training and how the dataset will be testing, that we will see. It is specially used when real system is very linear. At that time this particular classification concept is used. Next is beyond binary classification, which is generally called as the multi-class classification. So here it is in this the multinomial regression is also used, that is nothing but one type of classification technique. So in this we will be dividing the particular problem into multi-class problem, that is with more than two possible discrete outcomes we will be classifying the particular problem, that is nothing but multi-class and multinomial logistic regression. So all these concepts we will see in detail. This was only the introductory section concept of classification of machine learning concept. So in this we have seen the basic method, the linear methods, support vector machines and beyond binary classification. Now in our next section we will see the distance based machine learning methods and which distances are considered in that particular methods. Thank you.